Final project was a DecibelMeter slash sound reactive LEDs, and we were inspired to make this based off of the various LED strips that react to music. Our goal was to create an LED array that reacts to the intensity of music. And we were gonna incorporate the use of an op amp to increase the voltages of the microphone, as the microphone naturally produces very low output voltages. And we were also going to use comparators to set the different volume ranges at which the LEDs would turn on. Here is a circuit schematic of our project. Right here we have the microphone plus op amp, which increases the output voltage from a few millivolts up to around 5 volts. And then we have the comparators, which set the different thresholds at which the LEDs will turn on. And we use the Schmidt trigger to invert the signal that comes out of the comparators, as the comparators are naturally biased to an on state. And here we have the microphone being amplified. Frequency is 1 kilohertz. As you can see, the volume is only about halfway and the voltages are near 3 volts, up from only about 100 millivolts. And here we have the comparator being shown working. So once the input signal from the microphone reaches the threshold, it causes the comparator to be grounded, therefore turning on the LEDs through the Schmidt trigger. Here we have tests of our project working. As you can see, once the volume reaches a certain threshold, it causes the LEDs to turn on, and once the volume goes below that threshold, they turn off. And right here we have our LEDs reacting to music. As you can see, when there is drops in the bass, it causes the LEDs to turn on brighter.